So look at it here. So I have received it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy my referral link. So let me go and copy my referral link from my sponsor or from my up. So guys, I've copied my referral link. So this is what I need to do here. I need to come to explore. So I come to explore. So I will go to this search bar you are seeing here. This search bar. So this is where I'll be putting the link here. So I'll click on it. Let me clear the recent link. So let me paste it there. So you'll be contacting me to get your own referral link, or the person that introduced you. If I'm not the one that introduced you, so you go to the person that introduced you to get his referral link. So it's not all. So you need to come to this place because I have activated my own. That is why it's right. So yours may be showing interior. So you come to this search bar. Don't forget to type BNB. And once the BNB comes up, so this is what you're going to be selecting. OPBNB, guys. So that is what you need to select. Then before you click on go. So let's get there. So guys, I will confirm the transaction. I don't want to say this again. So I'll confirm the transaction, the login. So I'm waiting for it to open. It's opening. Yeah, it has opened. So now I've come to this place. So look at what it's telling me, showing me the amount that I need to spend to start as a beginner. You understand? So I'll click on register. I'm going to confirm the transaction. Yeah, I'll click on confirm. Then I'll put my passcode. So I'm done putting my passcode. The transaction is going successful. Successful, guys. So guys, that is how to fund your SafePile and do your registration. I'll be dropping videos on how to create your SafePile account under OPBNB and everything. Every other thing, I'll be dropping the videos on my next. I'll be dropping the video on the next update that I'll be giving to on my YouTube channel. So Ride BNB is a smart contract built on BNB blockchain, and everything you are doing here is between you and the blockchain. You understand? So any earnings you are earning is going direct to your wallet. There is nothing like go and click on the withdraw button. No, everything goes direct to your wallet, which I'm going to show you now. So this is where you can copy your referral link. So this is my own referral link now. So I'll be dropping it. I'll be dropping it also. I'll be dropping it on the description box if you want to get started. If I'm the one that, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, not referred from anybody, you can register with my link. But if you have someone that sent you this video, get in touch with the person and get the person's referral link to get started. Thank you.